Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a folder on the Bitwarden Desktop app. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over into the app. Right here we are at the main page logged in. Now here we have the folders, and now we need to click on the plus button. Here we have to name our folder, so for example TikTok accounts, and now let's click on save, and here we have our folder. Now we are in it because it's in blue, and here we can add a new login, card, identity, node or SSH key. So that's basically how you guys can do that. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.